waste segregation at home. Separate biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste to help reduce pollution and make recycling easier, not just in our home but also in the other places. Day 2. Use paper bag instead of plastic bag. Instead of using plastic bag, other stores use paper bag to lessen plastic waste and protect the environment. Day 3. Turn off unused lights or appliances. Switch off lights or appliances when not in use to save electricity and reduce consumption. Day 4. Saving water. Turn off the faucet when not used or not needed to conserve water and prevent waste. Day 5. Planting plants or watering plants. Planting or watering plants helps improve our quality and keeps environment green and healthy. Day 6. Avoiding single-use plastics. Choose reusable containers, utensils, plastic bottles, and straw to reduce plastic pollution. Day 7. Encouraging others to care for the environment. In my Day 7, I encourage my sister to help me pick up the trash and throw it in the proper trash can for disposal. I learned that it is really important that we take care of our environment for all of us. And it is better when we encourage our family and friends to do this not only in our home but also in our community.